Hey guys, welcome back to the Wood Metal Workshop. I'm Kent. Just wanted to take a minute and talk about the fume dust extractor that I picked up at auction yesterday. It's a Lincoln Electric. I don't have the exact model number, but it's the Extractor 1GC would be the current model. I'm not exactly sure. It looks identical to this one on the website. I went through and read all the stats and directions and all that kind of stuff pertaining to this machine because it has some features that are pretty darn cool. So as you can tell, it works. Okay, so you got some switches up here. This one's wired for 120. It says it draws 15 amps in high, so I've got it plugged into a 20 amp circuit. It does have the stats on here for both 110 and or 120 and 240. I don't know if it can be rewired for 240. Not going to worry about it because I wouldn't be using it in 240 anyways, because 240 outlets are for the welders, not for this unit. Anyhow, so it's got some pretty cool features. First off, it's got manual mode, which you just heard. You get ready to weld, you turn it on. And it starts sucking, which is great. And it does suck. It works the way it's supposed to. It's got a low and a high, so depending on how much cleaning you need. It's also got an auto mode. I'll spin you around here a little bit so you can see. There's this little inductive pickup right here. You put your work lead through here. It lists the amperages of how many times you should loop it for what you're welding. If you're welding really thin stuff, you might have, the amperage is lower, you might have to loop it 2 or 3 times. I got the machine set pretty high right at the moment, so it's on just loop through once. It's got an air fitting on the back with a ball valve. Now, you hook your air, when it gets dirty, stops performing the way it's supposed to, you unplug it, according to the directions, hook your air hose up, open this ball valve, and then rotate this 200 degrees 6 or 7 times. And what that does is it releases air inside the filter cartridge and cleans the filter cartridge for you. Oh, you gotta put the little, comes with a little rubber cap. I don't know if you can see that over here, the hand over here, but it's got a little rubber cap that you put in here when you're doing the cleaning. What I got came with the pickup unit. It's got a magnet on it, so it holds it right in place, right where you want it. So it's perfect position to pick up your weld bead or your exhaust. So I'm going to put it in auto mode on low. Turn it on. Oh no, it doesn't work. Put my work lead through there. And safe side, don't start screaming. I'm going to weld without a mask on. Okay, I'm just going to show you that it works. Then it shuts itself off. The idea is to save the life of the motor so it's not running all the time. You don't need that noise when you're doing setup and whatnot, but when you start to weld, it starts sucking. And this thing sucks. But it moves a high volume of air at low speed, so you're not pulling your shielding gas away, just in case you were worried about it. So that's the Lincoln Extractor 1GC. And this is going to go down here under the bench. I'm going to clear it under the bench, set it up in there, probably on this end. And so it's ready to go. All I have to do is plug it in and set up the hose and start welding. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And I'll do an update on this after I've used it for a while. I'll tell you what I think of it. So thanks for watching. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. And catch you in the next video. Alright guys, little bonus. Had to bring you back for this. Somebody built this cart for it. Like I said, I'm not going to use the cart, but I'm going to keep the steel, that's for sure, and the casters. High quality casters. Big, heavy, 1/4 inch angle iron with bent corners, not cut. They notched them and bent them to put them in here. Sturdy handle to hold to push it around with and hang the hose on. Pretty impressive. Way overkill. Massive overkill for this unit. Alright guys, thanks for watching.